Also, let me forget to tell you that the V4 is still here, still under the cover. If any of you guys want it, make sure you let me know. I've had a few interested people, but of course, money talks, bullshit walks. I'm not even entertaining the people that are trying to offer me $12,000 and $15,000. I don't even respond to you. So if that's what you have to offer me, kick rocks, keep walking. It's not going to happen. Let's come up. Let's be men, or women. You know, anyone can buy this. I don't want to be sexist or anything, but of course, if you have the money, let's talk. Let's see if we can find a common ground to do business. If not, no worries. Now, on to the video. Yo, what it is, everybody, and thanks for tuning back in here to another episode here on the Speedbug channel. Today, we're going to do a quick video about what do I do as far as maintenance-wise, just on a quick scale. What do I do as maintenance-wise to keep a lot of my bikes clean? Now, I use the same materials on my bikes as I pretty much do on my car. And I figured I would share that with you all because keeping your shit clean is definitely rather important. So, I'm a big believer in Mothers and Meguiar's. And let me turn this camera so you guys can see. I use the Carnauba wax here on the motorcycles. And to wash the car as well, I use the Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner all in one. And throw some in a bucket, you know, just follow the instructions, a cap or two, nothing too crazy. And of course, wipe it down. I have a chamois, use some microfibers and such that you guys, of course, you guys see up here. And then when it's all done, you know, every few rides or so, I throw a quick coat of wax on it, and just to keep everything protected. Now, no different type of wax that I'm going to use here on the GSXRs versus the Grom or anything else like that. Now, keeping everything clean, you know, there's no need to wash the bike unless it gets stuck in the rain or anything like that. You know, then I'll completely wash it down and such like that. To keep the rims clean, for the most part, you can just use soap and water. But when you do actually need to get your rims clean, there is a great tool that most of you already probably have in your garage. And let me go ahead and show you exactly what tool that is. Here we go. That would be a can of WD-40. Now, why would you use WD-40? Well, you use this to actually clean the rims. And this will take off, if you don't know this is great for you to know now. It will take off all of the chain lube and chain gum that is a pain in the ass to get off your bike after it gets splattered all over the rim after you put a new chain on. Just ride around, get the brake dust off. It's good. And it also gives a nice, coating to the rim to, one, give it a nice luster, and two, keeps all the other stuff from sticking to, it keeps all the other bullshit that gets stuck to the rim that you ride around on the street to the rim, so that when it's time to actually clean the rim, it comes off in a snap. So these are pretty much the three main products I use now on the Corvettes and such like that, and the Trans Am. I use, obviously, rim cleaner and stuff to get inside the wheel well and the bowl of the rims and such like that. But those rims obviously don't have chain grease and stuff rolling all along it, so it's really not that much of it's really not that big of an issue. But these are the three main products, and of course, you know, a bunch of microfibers and such like that. Now, if you have any stickers or anything like that, you can always use some Goo Gone, which always works great. You can also always use some rubbing alcohol, which always works great. And as you can actually see here on the Grom project, which is still not done, I have been using my other can here of WD-40 to get everything clean, and it has worked flawless. And again, guys, when this is done, I think you guys are really going to like this. So if you haven't checked out this video, my little bonus video that I put together, make sure you guys check this out. You guys are really going to like it. It's going to come together really cool with a lot of the accents and stuff that we've got planned here, coming back here from the powder coat shop for the Gromski. So that's going to pretty much sum it up. I mean, if you don't want to use Meguiar's because you don't like its Mothers, you know, I'm not sitting here, and this is not sponsored by them or anything like that. This is just kind of what I use. And it's worked great for me over the past couple years. So I figured I would share a little bit with me to what you guys maybe could relate to in your garage, because we're all car guys, we're all car girls, you know, bike guys, and, you know, we're looking for the next big thing to keep all of our possessions clean. So again, that's just a quick tip. If you guys like what you saw, smash the like. You can also check me out here on Facebook, Instagram at the Speedbug, same name here as YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll check you here for another episode here on the Speedbug channel. Deuces, y'all.